Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss three major stock splits happening in the next couple of months and how investors can take advantage of that, right? I just request that if you benefit from this, do hit that like button and hit subscribe. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start. Now, before we start, right, a quick refresher for anyone new. What is a stock split? When a company feels its share price is getting too high for the average investor, they might split each share into multiple lower priced shares, right? For example, in a 2-for-1 split, one share of $100 becomes two share at 50 each. The value of total holdings stays the same. It's just that you now own more shares, each at a lower price, right? But why do it? The big reasons are: first, make shares more accessible; second, it improves liquidity; and sometimes generate short-term excitements among investors, right? Now, finally, and this is very important, right? And that's for the options trader, right? So splits can open the doors, right? Now, 100 shares lots are more affordable for running strategies like covered call, cash secured put, wheel strategies, right? So, and that's exactly my bread and butter, right? My 90% of the consistent income that I get comes from option strategies. If you're new to options trading, then I highly recommend that you definitely check out my channel for a lot of learning videos, right? I can assure you it's gonna change your portfolio multifold. I will link some of those videos in the description. You should definitely check them out. Now let's jump into the three major splits coming up that should be on your radar. The first one, right? That's American Resources, REX, right? And REX, American Resources, that's headquartered in Dayton, Ohio. That was founded in 1980, and it's a leading US producers and marketers of ethanol and related byproducts, right? Like corn, distillers, grains, corn oil, gasoline, and natural gas, right? The company operates primarily through interests in six major ethanol production facilities, principal among them being One Earth Energy LLC, New Gen LLC, and REX recently transitioned from its former role as a REX Store Corporation to focus more on the renewable fuels, right? Making it an important participant in domestic clean energy and agriculture markets. Their dry distillers, grains with solubles, are key protein ingredients for animal feed. In fiscal 2025, REX reported over 640 million in revenue, and it maintains a strong balance sheet of its size. Now, what did they announce, right? So they announced for one forward split, right? And these are the important dates that you should remember. The first one is the record date, right? That's gonna be September 8th, 2025. So that date, by that date, you should actually own that stock. Now the X date, right? That's September 16th. And that day is when shares are starts going to trade at the new lower price. Now investors are gonna receive one additional shares for each shares they already hold, effectively doubling their number of shares. Because remember, it's 2-for-1 split. Now, despite some margin pressures this year, the board said that the split aims to boost liquidity and accessibility as its share price hit all-time highs, right? Making it easier for everyday investors to participate and for traders to work with 100 share slots. Now, the second one, and that's Brookfield Corporation, ticker BN, a global powerhouse in asset management and alternative investments, right? Brookfield Corporation with the ticker BN is one of the world's largest alternative asset managers, right? That's headquartered in Toronto, Canada, with more than 900 billion in assets under management. Brookfield invests in real estate, infrastructure, renewable energy, private equity, credit worldwide. They are known for acquiring and managing complex, large scale assets and consistently report robust earnings and high profile project monetizations. And recently, they actually surpassed 55 billion in asset sales in a single quarter. Their global reach, institutional expertise, and disciplined value approach make them a cornerstone in global finance and investment space. Now coming to the dates, right? So the record date for Brookfield is gonna be October 3rd, 2025, And that date, as I said, by that date, you should own that stock. Now, payable or ex date is gonna be in October 9th and October 10th. Shares are gonna start trading post split on October 10th. So every two shares will become three shares because they are doing two for three, right? So if you own, let's say, 200 shares, you will own 300 after the split. Each priced lower, but the overall value remains same. Okay, the third one, right? And that's a related entity. That's Brookfield Wealth Solution, ticker BNT. That's another branch of the Brookfield family, and that also they are gonna do three for two, right? So Brookfield Wealth Solutions, if you don't know, is part of Brookfield overall ecosystem, and it focuses mainly on the wealth management and investor solutions, right? And alternative fund offerings. Now, BNT has delivered strong second quarter result in 2025, and that's citing rising net income and capital inflows. The company continues to expand its product set across global markets and develop innovative investment vehicles tailored to evolving needs of its clientele, right? BNT split aims to align share price with a broader investor participation, like I said, increase liquidity, right? And that enabling existing and new investors easier access and fit within their portfolio allocation strategies. Now, on the coming to the dates, the record date is gonna be October 3rd for them, and the ex date is gonna be October 9th and 10th, same as the previous one, right? Now, like being every two share will become three with the adjusted price reflecting the increase in share count. Okay, so to recap, right, three big splits are gonna be coming for the calendar of September and October. The first one is gonna be REX. They are doing two for one split. X date is gonna be September 16th. Brookfield Corp, ticker symbol BN. They are doing three for two split, and X date is gonna be October 10th. Third is Brookfield Wealth Solution, ticker BNT. They are doing three for two, same as before, and their X date is also same. That's gonna be October 10, 2020. If you are interested, then please make sure you to own these shares before that relevant record date. And remember, investing in run up to split can attract new volume and liquidity. So that's going to drive a little bit on the share price. But the fundamentals of the company remain the same. So always do your own research before you start investing in these, right? If you gain any insight from this video, give a thumbs up, hit that like button, and subscribe for more videos. With that, I will close this one. Happy investing, guys. Talk to you in my next video.